guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today we're making the French lentil ragu, which is served as a side dish. It is usually clubbed with meat. Since I like vegetarian, I'm pairing it with chili garlic eggplant. So let's see how it's made, okay? The French lentils are cooking on the stove. I'll start with the eggplant chili garlic preparation right now. Okay? Let's plate the beautiful French lentils that we cooked. Sprinkle some So, my today's 2 cents is please travel. Please travel with your family, with your friends. At any given occasion, travel, because when you travel, you learn so much. Frequent travels help both physical and mental health. And it also helps in broadening the perspective of the world. For me personally, it reduces stress, it boosts my immunity, and it improves my heart health, and I learn a lot of cultures, cuisines, whatnot. I mean, meet a lot of new people. Just travel with your friends, your family, and come back refreshed to kick off the daily grind. Enjoy this dish, have a great and lovely week ahead, and see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.